Yummy, 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 guys. Fried. Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Care Official. Now today guys, we're going to prepare salted pigtail. Look at it guys. You can see the salt grain inside of the pigtail there. It is well cured. Yes, well cured guys. And look at it. Even though the package saying pigtail, it is salted pigtail. And look at the weight guys, 0.385 kilogram. And there is the price, 384.44 cents here in Jamaica for this package of pigtail. Now today guys, we're going to prepare fried pigtail. So you stay tuned guys and you will see the end product. And I'm going to prepare it with a slice of white yam as well as a finger of green banana with some cucumber guys. Now let me tell you some benefit of salted pigtail. Salted pigtail contains thiamine, yes guys, iron, selenium, vitamin B, yes, vitamin 6, yes, vitamin B6, vitamin D as well, and many more nutrients, right? Yes, many more vitamins. It is also ideal for people who are on low carbs diet. Yes, low carbohydrate diet. It has in omega acid that contribute to our muscles as well. Yes, omega acid that contribute to our muscle gain as well. So guys, eat your salted pigtail. All you have to do is boil out the salt of the pigtail. Then you prepare it however you want it. Now guys, I'm going to use this here so to wash my pigtail. So I'm going to put my pigtail in some water. Then I'm going to use this. Well, yes guys, I'm going to pour a little white vinegar inside and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I wash and put to scald. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned as I comes back with my pigtail being scalded. Remember now guys, like, share, comment and subscribe. That's right, subscribe to the channel guys and share. One love coming out of Jamaica. There it is guys, our pigtail boiling in the pot here. Yes guys, look at it, all boiling off the excess salt. Yes, the excess salt. Yes, and cooking at the same time so to become soft. Remember guys, I'm preparing fried pigtail, so I have to scald off the excess salt and make certain the pigtail is well cooked too, right? Awesome. Remember now guys, subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe. And please go into the description section so to get more information, right guys? Look how pretty our pigtail is. Look how fat they are. Yummy. So I'm going to change this water about 3 times guys. Yes. So I'm going to leave it here to cook. And then I throw off this one. This is the first water. Then I'm going to put a second and a third. Stay tuned guys for the end result. So here it is guys, my pigtail. Look at it. My pigtail here, all boiled. Yes, the excess salt all boiled off. And there it is, right? Already know to be fried. It is fried pigtail. So I'm going to put a little black pepper guys. Yes, going to put a little black pepper there. Right, seasoning up time guys, gonna season it up. Yes, there is some Maggi season up. Yes, Maggi season up all purpose. That's right. Look at it guys, look at it, all ready so to fried. Here I have now some grated onion, garlic and sweet pepper so to add to it. Yes, and I'm gonna rub in this guys and get my flour ready so to fry it. So follow the process guys. Do enjoy and try this delicious menu too, right guys? Yes, remember guys, subscribe to the channel and share. Right guys, gonna finish up, rub it in together, combine everything together, and then we're gonna fry in some flour. We're gonna put each pigtail, right, coat them with some flour and then put them in the oil and close the pot so to fry. Stay tuned, subscribe. Here it is guys, my pigtail all seasoned. Yes, and ready to fry. Yes, there is the oil. Not much oil, just a little bit, just to grease the pot. Right? So that's about the oil I want. And right here is the flour. So to coat, right? That's the flour there. So to coat my pigtail, right? So here am I getting few pieces just to show you, right? So there, coating my pigtail, yeah, with the flour, right? Place it over there in the pot. And I'm gonna close the pot too, guys, and let it take its time and fry it. Right? That's right. There it is. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys, until it's golden. So stay tuned, guys, for the end result. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's right, subscribe, subscribe. So I'm gonna close the pot, guys, and let it take its time so to fry. Here it is, guys, the finished product of our fried pigtail. Yes, look at it. Salted fried pigtail, right, guys? We have scalded off all the excess salt. Then I fried after. Look at it, guys. So succulent and delicious. This is it, guys. Look at it. All soft and nice, right? And it is accompanied with a slice of white yam there, one finger of banana, and a salad there, right? And the salad is consist of cucumber, lettuce, yes, tomato, and mayonnaise. Yes, look at it. So delicious, succulent, yummy, 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 guys. Fried pigtail with yam, green banana, and vegetable. Look at it. So yummy. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. Take your share. Take your share, guys. Thank you.